The most important moment in the entire journey of a customer, of a prospect, is when they decided to open up their credit cards and give you their most private information. That right there is the golden moment in the entire journey. Here's the magical thing that we can help you with, Elaine, that you cannot do on Amazon. On the e-commerce world, one of the most successful things, and we can go through that process in a second. I can show you an example. It's something called 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗂𝗪. Have you heard about 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗪 before?
No, I haven't.
Okay, we're going to help you set that up, and that has to be a part of the list. I'm going to show you an example of how that works in a second. The most important moment in the entire journey of a customer, of a prospect, is when they decided to open up their credit cards and give you their most private information. That right there is the golden moment in the entire journey. So somebody buys a product from you, they decide to give you their credit card, their physical address, the phone number, and their email address. And they bought something from you. That moment is golden. And most of the failing e-commerce brands out there end the conversation right there, instead of right then and there making offers. So I'm going to show you an example so you see what I mean. All right. I'm going to go through this process right here of buying something out of my own brand. It's going to be in Spanish. So if you have any particular questions of what sends out over here, just let me know. So this is called 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗪𝗪. Have you heard of this marketer called Ezra Firestone? I'm sure you have, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
So Ezra, a good friend of mine, he created this software called 𝗙𝗢𝗪𝗪, which is an app that integrates with Shopify. And inside 𝗙𝗢𝗪𝗪, he has a tool called OCU, which is one-click upsell. As you might have heard, Ezra has a brand called Boom by Cindy.
Yeah.
Boom by Cindy.
I buy those products.
You buy those products yourself. Boom by Cindy did $50 million in revenue last year. So it's a pretty massive brand, and they're 100% Shopify. And they don't have a content unicorn like the one that I had for many, many years. So what he does is actually quite powerful. The tool was created because Shopify did not have the ability to help you actually present offers natively to people that already bought one product. Okay. So let's go ahead and buy something here at the shop. All right. You're seeing my screen, right?
Yep.
Okay. I'm going to buy this one right here. Magic Mag, $21.95. All right. So if I just as a marketer, if all I do is generate this sale right here, I'm not making money. Look at what happens immediately after I added one thing to cart. You notice how fast that was?
Yep.
Okay. So I added that thing to cart. It's a Magic Mag supplement, which is a magnesium drink. It's one of our best sellers. It's actually our best seller on Amazon. This sells like 250 units a day on Amazon by itself. It's quite popular. Actually, might be more at this point. So it's a big draw. People come into it quite normally. The money is made when I actually present other opportunities before they actually get out of the shop. Like I talked about the example with Russell Brunson, right? Mm-hmm. Until on Russell Brunson's offer, if you buy a $200 course, he's going to present to you 3 to 4 more offers before he says finally, all right, Elaine, thank you for buying my stuff. I'm moving on now. All right. Yeah. I'm going to quit trying to sell you something else. That's the way to do business. That is the correct way to do business. Why do you think on Amazon, I have $30 average order values, but on Shopify, I have $110 average order values, right? So that $19.95 program, $21.95 product. Now this one says, order today with free shipping. Here's what some people don't know. I'm already giving free shipping to everybody. All right. Add Knock to Burn and start burning fat while you're sleeping. Who doesn't want that, Elaine? Who doesn't want to burn fat while they're sleeping, right? So I'm taking advantage of this great product that it actually is quite effective, and I'm going to put it in front. This is called a pre-sale page. Pre-sale, not post-sale, pre-sale. So I'm going to go ahead and add this to cart. Great. I'm excited about it. Good. So now I'm going to start the checkout process, but instead of having 1 item on the cart, I now have 2 items on the cart. So I'm going to pay this right here. This is our address over here. Okay, great. Free shipping. And I'm going to click on pay now. Is that the end of it? Heck no, that's not the end of it. All right. I need to present other opportunities along the way. But at that point already, I gave them my most personal information ever. All right. I already gave them physical addresses, phone numbers, credit cards. I mean, it doesn't get more personal than that. I trusted this brand with my most precious information.
So this pop-up now is part of what 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗢𝗪 created?
Correct. This is basically the 𝗙𝗢𝗟 software. This is OCU, which stands for one-click upsell.
Yeah.
Why is it called one-click upsell? Because it upsells you with one click, Elaine.
Yeah.
As simple as that. So now we have this little sales page right here. Great branding, great. Here's the secret. I'm not giving you a special offer. This is the price that we have. Like if you check out this $94 right here, we actually have slightly higher prices on Amazon. This is our 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗪𝗪 kit. It's a great product. It has 3,000 reviews on Amazon. It does really well over here. And now the wording changed. So now what we do is that we try to have a higher price on Amazon across the board. So that way it kind of tries to motivate people to go to my store. Why? Because I want the average order value to be higher. Why? Because I want that person to give me their contact information, and I don't want Amazon to be in control. I want to be in control myself. That's as simple as that. So this one over here is being sold for $94. And then we had the offer that came in over here. And this one says, with the 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗪𝗪𝗪 kit, you can actually lose weight faster, and you can accomplish your ideal weight, your ideal size, reduce toxics, accelerate the metabolism, improve your digestion, enjoy complete well-being. So now it has a timer on it. So it creates kind of like the urgency on the person, and it makes it feel like this is going to go away if I don't take advantage of it right now. So these little pages, we build them inside this app called OCU, which is actually a part of the app called 𝗙𝗢𝗟, and is not expensive. I believe that we have to pay about $97 a month for the introductory price on that. And then you can see data on it. Like if I go to the Shopify site, if I go to the dashboard, and if I go to the applications, apps, one of them, it's called one-click upsell. This one, 𝗙𝗢𝗟 one-click upsell. I'm going to click on that one. It tells you data as to how many people are converting on these upsells. And it's the one responsible for processing the whole like completion. It becomes kind of like your go-to. Look at this one over here. One-click upsell has made an extra $250,000 for us. Just from the upsells, right? From the upsells in general.
Clearly it works. I mean,
yeah, exactly. So over here, we got this little page right here, just so we don't waste time on that. And now I can pay this right here, or I can reject the offer. But look, even if I reject the offer, let's see if something else happens. Okay, so look at this. Something else does happen. I'm actually proud of my team because I haven't checked this out in a while. It says, supplementing magnesium with potassium is going to help you get better results. We recommend the dynamic duo, Magic Mac and Cat Store, so you can keep your body free of toxics and acidity. And then all I have to do is add on this thing right here, and I'm going to be able to add them both to cart. So you see, like we keep on presenting opportunities to people along the way for them to buy more stuff once they came into our world over here. And now at the end of it, it says, all right, thank you. I'm giving up. But I'm also branding the phone number in the consultants. So you need help, you can call a consultant right here. So again, it's like opportunities to communicate to people what you are, your value, and things that complement each other really well are extremely crucial. So if you have a couple of kids out of the 14 that are great for people to work together or have together, then it is a great opportunity for you to present that, or bundle these kids, or present a 10% discount if they add a second one or a third one, etc. Most people that do these offers, Elaine, they actually do discounts, 10% if they add a second one, or if you add this kit, it's gonna give you a certain discount. I don't do that because we only do discounts once a year, and that's during the Black Friday week, and that's something that's been our culture forever. And I don't want to get people to start getting used to discounts. Yeah. That's just who we are on our side. We always tell people on Black Friday, which we always like, it's pretty insane on our side. We always tell them this is the only discount of the year. That's it. No more. For the entire year, we don't do that. So we don't do anything we just keep on pushing the marketing forward, and we just keep on retargeting and presenting offers, but never with discounts in general.